For question 11, given that we have a search function here and quadratic function, so both of them having the condition domain where x is greater than equals 1 for search function, meanwhile quadratic they're only taking the right hand side part for x greater equals to 0. So for the first task we're going to answer here is find the inverse function. And then we state its range, and evaluate what is our composite function of fg negative 2. So first of all, we will get to find inverse function with f inverse x. We let it into y. Then we inverse it, we get fy back to x. We substitute our y into our search function here, where x is substituted by y, so it becomes square root of y minus 1. So the next procedure is going to find out what is our y. As long as we can find our y, that will be our f inverse. So we will move our square root. So when we move our square root, means another side we're going to square. And move the 1 become plus 1. So therefore, f inverse equals to x squared plus 1. Then they ask us to find its range. So range of f inverse, we are going to refer it as domain of the function. So domain of this function, you can see the value of x here. They say which is 1 x more than equal 1, means 1 to infinity. So that will be our range of our inverse function. And then for the next part, they ask us to evaluate the composite function of negative 2. So f g negative 2. We will substitute negative 2 into our function g here. So our function g here will be equals to negative 2 squared. So you'll get 4. Substitute 4 into the function fx. Here will be square root 4 minus 1, which is a third number, third 3. So here is our inverse concept and its answer. And then the answer for range. And then the answer of substitute composite g and substitute into the f function and the answer.